Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to take a look at Mancopter on the Commodore 64. It's a copter racing game from 1984. So let's go back here somehow. Alright, so here we go. I have 4 lives. It sets up into the right and off we go. 4 fish, that is my lives. My time limit is up to the left together with my score, my current score, and I will get additional time when I reach a certain point. So here we go. I can take out competitors by landing on their heads like that, joust style. So this is basically the game actually. It's not level based or anything, it's just a high score based racing game, very repetitive, and the music don't change it. Now I reach like a point where I get more time. Yes, it's a little bit annoying, the music. If it could change every now and then, it would be better. So here we go. I have passed 10 competitors now, and they can take out me as well here. So it's a cool little game actually. I believe this was released by Datasoft or something like that. It looks plays a little bit like a budget title. And I can get more lives and I can lose lives, of course, in different ways. And the key to getting more lives is to collect fish from the flying pelicans that is showing up, and they can take fishes from me as well. So I have to be on the alert. I have to go down here. It plays good actually. The controls is nice and responsive. I use a controller here and I use my fire button here to control the chopper, accelerate the chopper, or copter, whatever it is called. So it just drags on like this, on and on and on and on. So yeah, there is not so much variation to it. There comes a pelican without the fish in his mouth, so that means I have to stay away from him. There is coming another. No, I got another life. Don't think it gives me any bonus when I take out other riders. So up to 5,400 now points. Oh, now the pelican stole 1 life from me there. Bastard. So if there is any viewers who have played this game, please comment in the comment section what you like, if you like the game or not. Oops. Oh shit, he stole a fish from me. Sneaky little bastard. Oh shit. There we go, got another additional time here. There comes another one. Now I got the life 4 lives again. 5 lives. So something like that. I don't know what to say actually. It is what it is. Yeah, not a bad game actually, but a little bit too repetitive for my taste. Oops, what the hell? Oh, now it comes octopuses. Something is happening here. Something revolutionary. The octopuses is stealing lives from me. Hey. Damn it. It was too narrow there. I lost another life. I'm down to 2 lives. And it's getting narrow here. Yeah, okay, so I take that back with the variety. It's getting a little bit interesting now, actually. Because now it's getting tough to control the copter here. You bastard octopus! Now I have only one life left. Yeah, this passage is very tight actually. And all this sneaky octopuses on top of that. Now I have only 12 seconds to go. Ah! What happened now? Hmm, 15,085 points. Bonus 2,450. Will that lead me into a next stage or something? I don't know, because I have only tried this game out one time before, so... No, it just keeps on going here, but perhaps I will meet different kind of enemies, or... Let's see. I got 5 lives again. Yeah, it's back to the beginning, I think. So I think we're gonna wrap it up here. We have seen the game, what it is, how it plays. So I must say, yeah, like I said, repetitive game. Music that getting on my nerves in the long run. Could have been better with more variation. But it's a cool little game. I cannot really complain. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. So that was Mancopter. What hell is this down here? Oh shit. I thought I could land there or something. Yep. Cool little racer from 1984. Check it out if you're interested. Have a good one everyone. Goodbye.